Okay, here we are. Anyone have a clue? It's the sport of kings, and I'm gonna take a whack at it. That's right. I'm going to polo school. Barry, hey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And who's this?
This is Vigo.
Vigo.
Yes.
Oh, well, I've never played a day in my life, so we'll really have to start with the basics.
Okay. So you want to get that feel of your mallet being an extension of your arm and reaching up high like this. That's it. And then you just follow through. All right, try to hit that ball. Take your time, look at the ball, and you're just going to hit it with your hand. Excellent. And turn. So just lean down and swing. Good. Oh! Good. Lean over and hit it with the palm of your hand. Good. Again. Good job.
I'll tell you, this is an incredible experience. You gotta try it. Oh! I think I'm better at driving the Buick. I guess I have to head back to the city. Hey, I hope you enjoyed our little detour from the series, Passport to Great Weekends. See you next time, only on the Travel Channel.